Hi guys, welcome back to TouchCloud channel. In today's session, we are going to learn some basics of postgreSQL, alias Postgres. So we are going to see about pgadmin, which is an GUI tool to work with Postgres servers locally as well as with remote servers. PostgreSQL, creating databases and tables and switching database in PostgreSQL server. Let's jump into the session. So before opening the pgadmin window, let us make sure our Postgre is running. To know that, go to run prompt and go to services.msc and go to the postgreSQL. Yeah, I am installed Postgres 14 server and it is running. Okay, let me go to the pgadmin. As I told you already, which is a GUI tool to interact with Postgres servers. You should remember the password of pgadmin at the time of installation. It would require. Let me show my. You need to give password each time whenever you open pgadmin window. Sorry. Okay. See, if you did not have installed any PostgreSQL servers on the machine, the servers would be empty, but we have installed 14 version, so we have server, and at the time of Postgres installation, it would require minimum one database to be created and the default port would be 5432. You can change the port as you want if the port is not in use by any of the application. Okay, let us create the database first. So as similar as SQL Server Management Studio SSMS, you can create database either GUI or through SQL command. You can use the convenient way, but as beginning we can use SQL command, which would be good for learning. So I am going to use SQL command. Let me open the query window. Right click on any of the database and open query tool. If you want to feel how work with SQL Management Studio, you can use query tool. If you want to work with PostgreSQL field, you can open PSQL tool. So both are working fine. Which one you want, you can use it. Let me create a database. Create database. Okay. Refresh. We have employee 1. I am going to create database from PSQL window. Create database employee 2. Created. See, we have employee 1 and employee 2. Let us create table in any of the database. If I run create a table command in this query tool window, the table will be created under Postgres, which is not our aim. So we have to disconnect this one. Right click and remove panel. Employee 1 query tool. Now you can see employee 1. Postgres or pgadmin does not have use database command as we use in SSMS. So we should use only the new query window against the database which we want. Let me create table. TBL EMP ID small int name. You can use varchar of 50 varchar or character varying, which is the style of Postgres. Both are working fine, but you can use character varying to differentiate it is Postgres. We create table. We have created the table. So to know the table, expand the employee database, go to schema, go to public and go to tables. See, we have TBL EMP. Select star from TBL. You do not have any records? Yes, we did not have. Insert into TBL EMP ID name P1 we have two records in TBL EMP table. In SSMS, if we run multiple commands at single time, it will run successfully, whereas pgadmin will not run consecutive commands continuously. See, I am going to run these two commands all at a time, but it will throw error. So how can we achieve multiple command running at a single time? So you should have semicolon at the end of each command. And now if you see 6, 8, 10. pgadmin will show result for the last command what we have in the query tool window. Sorry for my ILU. Okay, right now we don't have any identity or auto incrementer column, so that it inserted the same value 1 2 1 2 1 2 repeatedly. Let me create auto incremented column. We have a data type called serial, so I am going to use small serial. As we see integer, small int, integer, big int, we have small serial, serial, big serial. Small serial allows values from 1 to 32 767 integers. So I am using that one. Based on scenario, you can use which one is apt for you. TBL EMP1, remove ID. Let me run. Okay, we have table. See, we have TBL EMP1. Let me run. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like how we can use. So to change the database, we can't use statement. As I said earlier, you should right click on the database and need to open a new query tool window, but we have option in PSQL window. So I am going to switch to another database. To do that, /connect database name. employee 1. See, here before it was Postgres, now it is employee 1. If you run any command, it belongs to employee 1 database. You can either use /connect or /c employee 2. See, now it is changed to employee 2. So I want to see how many tables I have. Instead of expanding the tree, you can use /d. I don't have any tables since we created database only employee 2. So let me switch to employee 1 /d. See, I am having TBL EMP and TBL EMP1. Let me switch to Postgres /d. I am having person and person1 table. Like how you can use pgadmin to connect PostgreSQL server. I hope you learnt some basics of PostgreSQL. I will cover some basics of data type and query window joining, some other things in my upcoming videos, session by session. Until then, bye from Shanmugam. Thank you. Take care. Bye.